First thing we're going to do is remove the 4 external screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Next, we're going to turn it over and pull up the front housing to remove it. Take the gasket out of your IO4 and place it to the side, and then install your new gasket just like this by putting it in and pressing it down into place. To replace the horn, pull it out straight up as shown, and then take your replacement horn and install it such that it is in the orientation shown with the text on the horn face facing up. Align it with the 2 pins and push down. We're going to install the front housing. We're going to take the front housing, place it on, line it up, flip it over, and install the 4 external screws to 6 inch-pounds using a Phillips screwdriver.